To buy Kiva, the Kiva AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Dex account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. This token has the liquidity 100% unlocked. That means your investment in the safe place. And this token came under Solana network. Not to be able to buy, just copy the token address. And the best choice to be buy this kind of token that came under the Solana network is by using the Phantom wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, open your Phantom wallet and click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and now paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, Kiva AI token. So click on it and now here type how much you want to buy. Now after that you will see how much you receive. So this is it. And now select the provider, for example OKX. Make sure to read all of that information and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to OKX provider page to complete the buy process. If you find any issue on your buy process, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, and you are ready to go to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Kiva AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.